When schedules change unexpectedly, Teamstack helps you keep every shift covered. Sometimes a team member simply can't make their assigned session. Instead of updating spreadsheets or sending messages to your entire team, you can replace the assigned member in just a few clicks. Simply choose another available team member, and the schedule is updated instantly. But sometimes there isn't an obvious replacement. That's where emergency sessions come in. With a single click, you can broadcast the session to available staff, add an optional message, select who should receive it, and send the request. Team members are notified immediately. They can review the emergency assignment and accept the session directly from their requests page. Once accepted, the session is automatically added to their schedule, keeping everyone in sync without back-and-forth messages. Whether someone declines a shift or a last-minute cancellation leaves you short-staffed, Teamstack makes finding cover simple, so your team can stay focused on delivering great work.